is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making cinnamon spice cookies. These cookies are perfect for the fall season and the fresh spiced cookies taste so amazing. So without further ado, let's get baking. To make this recipe, we will need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsalted butter that is softened, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First, we will preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you can take a baking tray and cover it with foil. You will spread some butter or baking spray on top of it. We will then start sifting our dry ingredients. So you will take a medium-sized bowl and we will sift together the flour, the baking powder, the baking soda, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, and the salt. You will just sift them together. After you have sifted the dry ingredients, you will just give them a quick mix. We will set the dry ingredient mixture aside and you will take a large bowl. To the bowl, you will add in the butter and you will beat this with a whisk or an electric mixer until it is smooth. To the butter, you will add in the granulated sugar and the brown sugar. And you will mix these together. Then you will add in half of the dry ingredient mixture and you will mix that into the butter mixture. Before we start shaping the cookies, we will make a small topping. To make this topping, you will need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. To make this topping, you will just take a small bowl and add in both the sugars and the cinnamon. You will then just whisk these together. Now we will start shaping our cookies. So you can use your hands or an ice cream scoop. I'm using a scoop. To that, you can just spread some flour. You will take the ice cream scoop and you can just scoop up some of the dough and you will place the scoop on a baking tray one at a time. Make sure to space out your cookie dough by around half an inch. After you have shaped each cookie, you will sprinkle some of the cinnamon topping that we made earlier on top of each one. You can bake these cookies for around 15 to 20 minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.